Okay, first thing is that the hands-on material, right? When you go here, this is the hands-on material link. So when you click that, so you would see first the video. So once you watch the video, you would know how to install Python, Visual Studio Code, and Jupyter Notebook. Right, you just have to follow through and then install. Okay, the most important thing is that usually, yeah, I've been teaching Python for some time now, like past 3-4, more than that actually. So student will miss this add python.exe to path. Just like MATLAB, if you don't add, it doesn't know where to read. So VS Code would be like blind. Just install somewhere. VS Code will not be able to identify where's your Python. Okay, so you just have to click that. If you don't, it's okay. Go to programs, uninstall and reinstall back. Make sure you add to path and then install a Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now, once you download this zip file, a new week 1, week 2. So the content in here is actually for this week and next week. So let me go. Okay. Once you download it, this is the file. Yeah, the zip file. In this zip file, once you of course unzip it, you would see all these files. Yeah, there are Python basics, which we would go through today. And then we have NumPy and Seaborn, which you would go through next week. There are image files. Yeah, there's a CSV file, comma separated file. Grades.csv. CSV simply means comma separated file. You can right click and open it with Excel. Yeah, if you're using Mac, you can open it with numbers, or you can even open it Excel and have a look at it. Okay, and then there's a file, there's a PDF file, instruction _01 VS Code. Okay, this is the file that, again, go through that file, right? Go through that file. The last is just population.png. This is the output which you would get when you run one of the Python file. So again, the Python file here, the native Python file will have .py. We are using Jupyter's Notebook extension. It will be I, P, Y, and B. Yeah, .I, P, Y, and B. Interactive Python Notebook. Okay, that is the extension for Jupyter Notebooks file. Okay. All right, and now let me bring in Jupyter Notebook. So when you have installed Jupyter Notebook, yeah, okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. Can you see? All right, so this is how it looks like. So you can open the file. If you click here, file, so you can open a file or open a folder, right? If you open a file, okay, I'll open a file, Python file. Oops, sorry, I open a new file. Okay, file, open here. To open a file, open a folder, open folder, right? Open, and then go where you have downloaded it. I would advise to open folder for it, and then okay, this is the folder that I'm keeping this course. So open that folder. So you would see, for example, we are going to go through this file 01 underscore Python basics open. So you will see it has opened the file, right? Anyway, that's one way. As I said, there's one file, right? If you want to open the whole folder, just go and click open folder. And this is the folder, of course, that I am giving under teaching material. I've unzipped it. Please unzip first. Some students even they open it without unzipping. If you unzip, if you did not unzip it, it's still in zip format, you would not be able to edit the file and run the file. So first of all, after downloading, unzip the file and then open. So once you open, you'll see here, there's a icon like a A4 paper icon here on your far left top here. Yeah, you can actually click those icons. Yeah, when you click that icon there, far left, you'll see all the files available in here. So the like directory, right? So you get to see all the files in that folder. So when you click the first folder, I mean the first file, okay, you get to like go through the file. Okay, this is the next week's file and the following week's file and so on, so forth. Okay. Okay, so you can even open instruction.pdf if you have installed the extension. For example, I've installed the extension, I get to see the PDF file here itself. Okay. Okay, so there are a number of extensions you can install. Those extensions are here, extensions here. This you see this this icon here, like boxes. Those are extensions. Okay, so I have installed a number of extensions. The extensions that you might need, of course, Jupyter. To install, just once you click here, click that. See search extension, for example, Jupyter, just spell. Okay, here by Microsoft. Yeah, by Microsoft. Visual Studio is by Microsoft. So whatever that you see by Microsoft, you can install. I mean, Jupyter you can install. So I've already installed, so you don't see install button here. If you're yet to install, you'll see install button here. You can install. You can also install Jupyter Key Map. Yep. Okay, so I'll show you what are the packages that I have installed. So I don't want all this. Okay. The packages that you need, Jupyter Notebook. You can install Jupyter Tag, Cell Tags. These are all will be available. I mean, the extra features, right? Extra features that will be available when you write your code. Jupyter Key Map, Jupyter Notebook renderers. We see all by Microsoft. Jupyter Slideshow. You can also do slides actually. Python. You can also install Python in here, but I would suggest install it first, only then install VS Code. Just follow the way shown in the video, YouTube video. Python debugger, Python environment, Rainbow CSV. This is by someone else. Okay, when you open a CSV file, comma separated file, it'd be nice, color coded. You get to see the columns nicely. I'll show you now. And then VS Code PDF. This is the one that I have installed, so that when I click a PDF file in here itself, it will open and show me, rather than using a Adobe Acrobat or something else. Okay, so once you have installed, so you can just click here and it will open up for you. Yeah, see. Okay, and then as I said, the CSV. Yeah, so you can see. Let me enlarge a little for you. Okay. So you see the first column is black, second column is blue, third column is in black again, the last column is in green. So it's color coded. Right, so this package, I mean, I can see such a way because of this package, Rainbow CSV. So VS Code, I use that package to open a PDF file right away in here. All right, so if you can see the directory here, so you click on it, it'll you can't see the directory. Yeah, you hide the directory or unhide the directory by just clicking on it. All right. Okay, so that's a little bit a brief intro on VS Code and how to maneuver first time in VS Code and prepare your machine.